Hello, all my cruising and travel fans. It's Rob here from Cruising on the High Seas and Travel. Today, I'm doing another taste test review for you all. Today, I will be taste testing the Kitcat Crunchy Caramel Bar and these zesty taco tortilla chips from 7-Eleven. Along with a good old glass of chocolate milk. Yeah, something like, whoops, let's try like that. So let's dive on in and taste this on out. First, we're going to start off with the Kitcat Crunchy Caramel Bar. Tastes the caramel. And it definitely is crunchy. Yep. The bar is definitely a 10. Milk is the milk. Now, let's try out these. And these are called the Zesty Taco Tortilla Chips from 7-Eleven. Let's see how they are. Pretty good. They're not that zesty. I was hoping for a little more spice, flair. They're good. So, can't complain. But I would give these, I would give them maybe about a 7.5 out of 10. So, you heard it. The chocolate bar, the Kitcat Crunchy Caramel, I gave a 10 out of 10. And the Zesty Taco Tortilla Chips from 7-Eleven, 7.5. So overall, that would be about maybe an 8.25 overall with all the stuff I got. Because of course the chocolate milk is definitely a 10 out of 10. But I'm going to wrap up this short video here for you all here today. And dive on in to finish off the rest of this great snacks I got today. So until next time, I will see you on the high seas and wherever travels may take us. Bye for now. Yeah. But fall away. Okay, bye.